In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Binance trading interface and layout in the mobile app. If you're looking to make your trading experience more intuitive and tailored to your preferences, you've come to the right place. Whether you're new to Binance or just looking to streamline your interactions within the app, I'll guide you through each step clearly. Firstly, let's dive into how you can change the trading interface of your Binance app. The great thing about Binance is its flexibility in customizing your trading view. Start by opening your Binance app. Once you're in, you'll notice three horizontal lines at the top left corner of your screen. Tap on these. This will open up a menu with several options that help you navigate further within the app. Once the menu is open, scroll down to the bottom and select Binance Lite. This option changes your interface to a more simplified version. That's great if you prefer a more streamlined, user-friendly view, or if you're just starting. Now, if you decide that you want to switch back to a more detailed view, known as the Pro version, it's just as easy to revert the change. Tap on the Binance icon again at the top left and then select Binance Pro from the options below. This will get you back to the standard, feature-packed trading view preferred by more advanced users. Now moving on to adjusting the trading layout, specifically when you're in the futures or spot section of the application. Begin by opening the Binance app and navigating to either the futures or spot area. To modify the layout, look towards the top right corner of your screen and tap on the three dots or the settings icon, whichever is visible to you. This opens up a settings menu where you will find the preferences option, which you should tap. Next, you're going to select layout settings. This is where you can really customize your trading experience. Adjust the display options to your liking, perhaps modifying the chart style, changing how you view the order book, or other visual elements. Each of these options allows you to mold the trading experience to better fit your personal strategy and ease of use. After making all your preferred adjustments, simply exit the menu to save these new settings. The changes take effect immediately, enabling you to continue trading with a layout that best supports your activities. In just a few minutes, you've customized your Binance app to better fit your trading style, whether you're aiming for simplicity or enhanced functionality. By following these simple steps, your trading experience can become both more efficient and enjoyable. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you found this guide helpful. Make sure to check back for more tips and tutorials on optimizing your digital trading tools.